Right, we're going to take off the bin lid and refit it, so it's literally the same. Drop the screwdriver. Right, same principles. Gently. Okay. Again, just make sure you're putting your screwdriver at the back, prizing out. Don't put it at the front. You'll snap these bits. And there we go. Right, for refitting now, can be a little bit tricky. You've got to get that spring. If I can show you, in between that gap there, not at the front but in between. So when refitting, I sort of try and go at it at that sort of that angle, so that when it drops in, the spring should go into that naturally. Right. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So you don't really need a screwdriver to put that back in. You just got to ease it, push it down, and try and get that spring plate in that gap. But yeah, just a basic guide, as I do get asked quite a bit on refitting them. But there we go. Hope it helps.